Hey y'all, today's video is a kinky, curly, natural, realistic hairline wig install. This is one of the most realistic kinky curly wigs I have ever installed, and it was easy to install. This is a full frontal 13x6 kinky curly edge unit, and it literally took me like 15 minutes to install. I didn't even use real glue. Do y'all see these curls? Do y'all see this definition? And y'all want to know how much the wig was? Amazon wig prices. I'm gonna just tell you that. Amazon wig prices for hdlace, a kinky curly hairline, and all of this hair. Yeah, y'all need to get up into it. If y'all want the details to this unit and you want to see how I installed it, make sure you stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, I'll see you in a few.
Best friend, be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself.
All right, so today we're working with Ashimary hair. Okay, so this is a hefty bag. Like, there's some stuff in here. First things first, I'm gonna take the wig out, put that to the side. Like, y'all, there's some things in here. Okay, let's just go through it. Okay, so first of all, they gave me an eyebrow razor. Very useful. I use this to cut my lace. I use this to shave layers into hair. Good thinking, y'all. And they also gave me an edge brush, some lashes, some HD wig caps. Needed more of these. What is this? Let's go ahead and open it up. Child, what? Okay, I think this is like, I have no idea what this is. This is either a nightie or a cape, but it has straps, so I'm thinking it's a nightie. Thank you. Okay, and then last but not least, they gave me a really long green robe. This look comfortable for my little robe. Yes. Is this green or is this teal? I think this is teal. Oh, I missed something. They also gave me this really nice detangling brush. So nice to have one of these finally. This is actually a really pretty color. My goodness, I didn't know I looked good in blue. Now we move on to the wig. So I'm very excited about this wig because I've been wanting a unit that had 4C edges. And I finally got a unit that has 4C edges. They call it 4C, but it's like, it's really even like 4B edges, but y'all tried. It's okay. So this is the unit we're working with today. This is clearly a very kinky, curly wig. But like I said, it has those natural, I would say type 4 edges. HD lace, pre-plucked. Yeah, I'm ready to get into it. The hair feels great. This is very kinky curly, okay? This is not water wave. This is, yeah, these are like tight curls. So again, like I said, HD lace. We have our combs in the cap. The one critique that I have so far is that they don't have an adjustable wig band back here. What is the point in having a wig so perfect and then not having an adjustable wig band in the back? Think like, okay, we have these type 4 edges. I'm thinking that I want to wear this glueless, but if there's no adjustable wig band in the back, it's not gonna fit like flush and seamless to my head. So that's my one critique, but it's okay. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna, of course, I never skip this step. We're gonna tint the lace. I think this is good enough for now, right? I think that's good enough for now. Another thing is that the knots don't seem to be pre-bleached. They look pretty dark, but we're gonna work with it anyway. We always do. All right, so I went ahead and did some light plucking because the hairline was a little bit too thick for me. So yeah, we took care of that, and now we're just gonna get into the install. All right, first things first, I'm just gonna pin the hair back and out of the way. We're gonna bring out some spray adhesive and just spray that right along the hairline. Once that's nice and tacky, I'm just going to take my lace and place that right on top of the glue. And I'm gonna bring out a brush and just start brushing the hair back, pressing the bristles into the lace. That way the lace can be pressed into the glue. And I'm making sure I kind of keep these little 4C baby hairs away from the glue because I'm gonna wanna kind of lay those a little bit later. And I'm realizing now that I totally forgot to cut the earpieces. So we're gonna do that. Next thing I'm gonna do is cut the lace. And then I'm just gonna press the lace down into the glue. And we're just gonna spray any pieces that didn't get glued down the first time. Make sure that lace is pushed down. And once I'm sure it is, I'm gonna bring out a wig band and we are going to secure our lace. I'm just gonna take this out and we're gonna figure out what to do with this. I say we work on styling first. I'm gonna bring out some water and some mousse. Just put a little bit of mousse up in there, this back. Shake this up and just start coating the hair with water and mousse. Because once it's wet, it's definitely easier to work with. I already know that I'm gonna want to cut it just to shape it a little bit. So I just want to make sure the curls are nice and detangled before I do that, so I'm not cutting it unevenly. Now I'm gonna take a Denman brush and just go through these curls. Make sure I don't have any tangles. Should have started from the ends first. See, like once you get this hair wet and then you run that Denman brush over it, the way these curls start popping, now we are nice and defined. I'm gonna take a little bit more mousse. Put that inside of the hair. I will say the quality of this hair is so nice. Like the curls are gorgeous. You can really start to see them now that I'm getting some product on them. Now I'm gonna bring my scissors out and I'm just gonna start doing some subtle shaping. And I'm gonna shape it in the way that I'm going to wear it. So I'm literally just gonna leave it like this and cut from here. I think that's good. Like I didn't need too much. I just definitely needed a more defined shape. I always like my afros to be like round a little bit of a diva cut, I guess is what they call it. So that's definitely what I was going for. Get that wet again. And just run a last little bit of mousse over those curls. And we will be done with this side. And now we can work on this side. This side feels so dry compared to this side, Jesus. As soon as water touches this hair, it just becomes so soft. Like it's actually crazy. So I usually have to do this side a little bit different just because we're on the side of my dominant hand. Next thing I'm gonna do is bring out my hot comb so we can get this hairline all the way together. I'm gonna bring out a wax stick. Now, hot combing a curly fro is a bit different than hot combing like a straight wig or a body wave wig, because if the top is too flat, it'll look weird. So you have to be really careful about how you hot comb like a curly wig, especially a kinky curly wig. Like, this is not water wave. So you want it to look like normal. Okay. This is just to keep the hair kind of out of my face. Okay. And then just go down the top just a little bit. I definitely like to do the back to make that nice and flat. But this is fine to me. Okay, what I like about like big curly fro wigs is like most of the lace is covered anyway because the hair is all over it. So it's just like way less work in general. I'm gonna bring out a little brush and we're going to highlight our part. And that's it, that's all. Yeah, I love her. It's full, it's dramatic, and it honestly looks really natural because it's kinky curly, okay? Yeah, I'm definitely a fan. I feel like it's been a while since I've had a really nice, like full frontal kinky curly wig. They're usually closures. And I be wanting to like, you know, put it back and stuff. I be wanting to just freely move my head and not worry about, you know, up under the closure showing. I'm a fan. I really like this. And as y'all can see, it was quick and easy to install. Like, it's so dense, but it's not difficult to work with, which I really appreciate. So of course, last but not least, let me get all the details on this unit. All right, so this is called the 4C Kinky Edges Curly 13 by 6 Transparent HD Lace Front Wig with Realistic Hairline. The length of this unit is 16 inches. I would say it's definitely longer than what I expected 16 inches to be, like when you stretch it out. But unstretched, of course, it's definitely 16 inches. So the full cost of this unit, y'all, I didn't even peep the price before I got into filming this video. Usually I'm really good about looking at the details before, but I didn't do that this time. And I'm genuinely shocked. Y'all, this wig is $112. You telling me this HD lace kinky hairline dense tight curly wig is Amazon wig prices? Oh nah, y'all done messed up. I need to order me another one. I want a longer one, I want a shorter one. $112, y'all, and that's before any discounts. Yeah, run don't walk, they absolutely snapped. Oh my god, now the wig look even better knowing that it's affordable. It's like it eat even more now that I know it's only $100. Okay, if you're still here, it means you enjoyed the video, so make sure you go ahead and leave me a like and make sure you comment how you feel about this hair on me, because I'm feeling it. That means you have to be feeling it too. Yeah, let me know what y'all think of it. Comment down below. All of the details for this unit will be down below in the bio as usual. I will have everything there for y'all so y'all can get this exact unit because you need to. Yeah, I'm finna go. I'm too cute to be up in front of this camera. I need to go outside quickly. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mena. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself.